Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making banana donuts. So here we have flour, banana, salt, milk, egg, we have sugar, we have banana flavor because I like everything extra. I like extra. And I have my yeast and also my butter. So firstly, I'm going to take my banana, peel it off and blend it. I would have used a measure to mesh it, but I want it to be smoother so that I will get the consistency that I need. So guys, this is my blended banana. Let me start adding the wet ingredients because I'm going to mix the wet ingredients separately, mix the dry ingredients. This has always been my method and I've been getting the result that I need. Very sweet, nice and tasty. So I'll be mixing the wet ingredients together and the dry ingredients separately before mixing them together to form a dough. So let's get going. The banana taste, the banana smell is all over the place. I included the banana flavor because I naturally like extra. I like extras. You cannot beat that. I like extra. So here we go. We are making our dough. You know why it's like this? It turns out like this. It's because of the presence of the banana. If actually it's just a normal dough, the consistency will be smoother. Because of the banana present in it, it tends to stick to the hands. So I'm going to transfer this, cover it, and allow it to rise for some minutes before we continue. Actually, why I'm leaving it to rise is because I added yeast to it. I added an active yeast in it, so I need to allow it to rise. But that yeast is totally optional. You may not necessarily need to add it. You can use towel, you can use plates, tight plates, in fact anything that you can use to cover it. You can as well put it inside the oven and allow it to rise. Welcome back, guys. So I left it to rise for about 15 minutes. Oh, it sticks on the paper a little bit. So our dough has risen. Right now I will knead it and form the dough balls before we fry. Sprinkle enough. You know why I use a lot of this? It's because of the presence of banana in it. If it's just a simple dough, it may not really need a lot, because if you just come out on its own, make sure you get some flour on your hand to knead it with, so that the mixture will not stick on your palms. While kneading, make sure you knead it inwards. Always use your flour. This is so nice. I don't know why I like kneading. So this is what you get. Get your knife. Let's cut into pieces and make our ball. Still sticky, that is why I'm getting off flour to add it with. I like rolling it out this way, so that while cutting the balls, I will get this amount. At this point, you may, if you have a scaling machine, a scaler, you can use it so you can get the same measurements. You can also do it this way. Make sure you measure with your eyes, for some of us that doesn't have skill. Too smaller. So start forming your balls. Also, while forming your balls, make sure you dap your hands inside the flour so you don't get stick. You don't stick it on your hand. While forming your ball, you roll it inwards like this. Make sure you have to make it to be a bit flat but not too flat, so that you get that our sweet size and shape we normally want for our dough. So after doing this, I place it on top of that flour and allow it to rise for about 1 hour, after which I will fry it. So this is how we do it. So guys, this is it. Whew. We're going to let it rise for about 1 hour before we fry. Hi guys, so welcome back. I allowed this to rise for about 1 hour, so I'm going to fry them right now. So make sure you keep your lights on low medium heat and gently place them in. Don't let your oil to be hot before placing them. Make sure you're placing them while the oil is not too hot, so that it will done gently and not get burned. Let's go there. So guys, our doughnut is ready. Ready. Guys, you need to try this out. You need to try this out. Our banana donut is ready. I can't wait to devour it. Yeah, I will be topping it with some chocolate and candy. Yeah, my children like chocolate a lot, so I'll be topping it with some chocolate and candy. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button to always get my updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.